Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Logic Man. Today in this video, I will be showing you one new property of mathematics which you might not have used in triangles, and introducing myself again to you all. My name is Kaustubh Narayan Medhi from Assam, India, and in this video, a new concept on collinear points will be retrieved to you all by me, and hope you like this video. Watch it till the end, share it and subscribe the channel, and await for my upcoming videos too. Now let's start the video. I have written about collinear points here. First of all, what is collinear point? What are collinear points? Let me define it. When there are three or more points on a given line. Given line means on a same line. When there are three or more points, these points are called collinear points. When more than or less than 3 points lie on a given line, for example, take this line AB. There are 3 points A, D and B. They are called as collinear points. It is not compulsory that only 3 points will lie on the same line. More than 3 points, for example 4 to 6 points might lie on a same line, and I have written here a proof why these 3 points are collinear points. Now in this figure you can see that AB is a straight line. In this above figure, AB is a straight line with 3 points, namely ADB. Now we can observe that ADB is 180 degree. This is 180 degree straight angle, 180 degree straight angle. All the points lie evenly on the same line. On a straight angle, as you know that all the points need to lie on the same line to form the straight angle. So in this line, ADB lie means next to each other, forming an angle of 180 degree at D. So this is the vertex and the angle is forming here, the 180 degree angle, and ADB are collinear points. Now if we are given with 4 to 5 points on a given line, how can we prove that they are collinear points or not? Now I am drawing one line here. Take this line to be A and D. There are 2 points, namely A and D. First of all, there are 2 points A and D. I am taking as 2 points. Then I am putting here one point B and here one point C. Again I am dividing this line AD into 2 lines, AC plus CD. Now you see, AC plus CD will be equal to AD. AC will have a particular value and CD will have a particular value, which will add up together to equalize the value of AD. I have divided this single line into 2 parts which are not equal. CD is less than AC. Observe in this figure. Now let's first take the line AC. In line AC, only observe from A to C, from point A to C. Here you can see that angle B is a straight angle. Angle B is a straight angle, that is 180 degree. Angle ABC equal to 180 degree. So ABC are collinear points. So ABC are collinear points. As I have mentioned in the above figure that 3 points lying on the same line forming an angle, forming a 180 degree angle at a particular vertex, that is here it is D, are collinear points. Same in this line also, ABC lie evenly next to each other, forming an 180 degree angle at B. So ABC are collinear points. Now I am not taking the line CD, not taking the line CD. I am taking the line BD. Except the point A, I am taking all the 3 points from B to D. Now observe in line BD, but BD does but I have not mentioned about BD in this equation, but I am taking BD to prove that BCD are collinear points. That needs to be clear why I have taken the line BD. I have taken the line BD in order to prove that BCD are also collinear points, which will be useful when we prove that these 4 points are collinear points in line AD. So let's see in line BD, angle C is 180 degree, angle BCD equal to 180 degree, and BCD are lying evenly next to each other on the same line BD. Therefore BCD are collinear points. Now you see CD are also, since BCD are collinear points, CD are also collinear points. They are also lying next to each other on the same line. C and D are also collinear points on the same line. Now taking the line AC, AC has ABC. Now CD has C and D. Now when we use Euclid's axiom that things which coincide with each other are equal to each other. Now A plus CD has coincide with AD. You can see in this figure AC plus CD has coincide with A and D in this figure. So since ABC and CD, you can also take BCD. BCD and ABC are collinear points. Therefore ABC is the collinear point of AC, and CD, in CD are also collinear points. So if we together take all the points, all the collinear points together, we will get the line AD. We will get the line AD where ABCD are collinear points. In this way we can prove that if there are 2 points, 3 or more than 1 point, in collinear points, more than 1 point on a given line which are lying evenly next to each other will be collinear points. So in this, by following this process, we can show that 2 or more points lying on the same line are called collinear points. Now I am retrieving to you all one new property of triangle, that is based on this concept only. I am retrieving a new property of triangle, that is an altitude perpendicular bisector median drawn from one vertex to opposite side has or forms collinear points. Now you all know that what is an altitude. Altitude, you have seen a right angle, it is this 90 degree. Height, altitude is also called as height. Height is always forms an angle of 90 degree. We can see in this figure AD is the altitude which is forming an angle of 90 degree. In the same way, perpendicular bisector has a different property from altitude, that is can be similar, but perpendicular bisector is a straight line which divides the opposite side. For example, if I draw here a triangle BCD, now I am drawing one perpendicular bisector here, naming it BO. From this vertex B, a line BO which is at 90 degree is drawn towards the opposite side CD, which meets the opposite side CD at O and divides it into 2 equal parts, that is CO and OD. Perpendicular bisector always bisects the opposite side into 2 equal parts. And median is a line which joins the vertex of one triangle to the point on another side, on the opposite side. So here I am in this figure I have drawn the altitude. Here from vertex A I have drawn a line which meets BC at D, and this AD is an altitude which forms an angle of 90 degree. I have written here, let ABC be a triangle where AD is the altitude which forms an angle of 90 degree. Written the given part. Then we have to prove that BDC are collinear points. Proof: in triangle ABD, this is one triangle ABD, ADB is 90 degree, this is ADB, angle is formed in D, so ADB is 90 degree because AD is the altitude to this side BC, AD is the altitude to this side BC. We are marking it as equation 1. In triangle ADC, angle ADC is the 90 degree, and the same it is the same reason to the reason used in equation 1, that is AD is as an altitude opposite to side BC, and so we are marking it as equation 2. Adding 1 and 2, we get left hand side added to left hand side and right hand side added to right hand side. We get ADB plus ADC equal to 180 degree. Now ADB plus ADC, we get BDC because BDC forms a straight angle. You can see here BDC forms a straight angle and ADB and ADC are its parts. So we can write in place of 180 degree as angle BDC. Since BDC is 180 degree, therefore it is a straight angle. And as per this, based on this proof, based on the proof of the of proving whether 3 or more points are collinear points or not, we have used this proof as a deduction to prove the property of this new property of a triangle based on collinear points. Therefore you have learnt here that an altitude or a perpendicular bisector or a median drawn to the opposite side always has 3 points which lie on the same line, which are called as collinear points. So keep reasoning, keep thinking about new things, come up with new concepts, because this world needs logical reasoning and we need logic to change this world. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy Puja to everyone. This is Kaustubh Narayan Medhi signing off from this video. Await for the upcoming videos, and please like it, subscribe it and share it with more and more people. Thank you. Namaskar.